Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn by just post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete captchas, post on Instagrams and answer to the surveys. Just you need to do these simple things and you can earn up to $100 to $200 every single day. Okay, just you need to do these kind of things and you can able to earn more. Okay, so daily bonus you'll get. Okay, top earners will get daily bonus, and if you are really dedicated in doing so, you can earn up to greater thousands of dollars as well. Okay, start earning instantly. Referral programs are also there, and weekly payouts are there. Weekly payouts means within a week, every week the company is paying to you. Just all the earnings will be reverted back to your PayPal account. Don't worry. Okay, and the staff is friendly, and don't worry, it's a genuine website. So I just gave you the description of this website and the link of this website in the description box. You can check out on this. So I just need to sign up. Okay, so I just need to sign up. So I just type my email ID and just enter the password and just click on this and just sign up. Okay, a confirmation, I just want a confirmation. So within my email ID you can see that there is some confirmation. So agreement, so the agreement should be there. Okay, I just click on this agree. Okay, just click on this agree button, and now you can able to start earning money. Okay, how you can able to do, just it's very simple guys, it's very simple. You can able to earn up to lot more. Okay, for you can see that guys, if you can click on my link, you can get $1 instantly. Okay, you can get $1 instantly. Okay, so what you need to do in this website? Okay, you just need to do some surveys guys. You just come in this content section, and just you need to do, just click on these ads. See this, view the content for 60 seconds. If you just click on this view the content for just 60 seconds, I just need to see these videos and these contents. Okay, just for small seconds. Okay, I can able to earn. You can see that the time starts now. Okay, so I'm not doing any such things. You can do it on your own self. Okay, just spend some time. You can see that just 5 seconds if I can able to make. Okay, I can earn up to a great extent. Okay, I just need to wait for this, and just click on these certain things, that easy money. You can see that easy money. Okay, you can even do fill the captchas. Okay, you can fill the captchas. If you fill the captchas, you can able to earn more. Please click the image containing umbrellas. Okay, so it is containing. Okay, next. So very easy it is. Okay, you can able to perform lot of money out of it guys. Okay, easy money guys, I should say that easy money. Just submit it and you can see that unlimited captchas for you can earn up to $0.003 every second. For every captcha you can earn. You can see that you can verify it on your account balance as well. You can see that your wallet. Okay, it will turn for every total of 14 credits. Okay, just perform these things and you'll get paid. Okay, so please check if a new boat. Okay, I just containing boat. Okay, so this is a boat, so you can able to earn more out of it. Okay, you can able to earn more out of it. Okay, just perform these kind of things. Just push clicks are also there. You can also click on certain things and you can able to earn money as well. Okay, there are other things as well, some other tasks. You can see that you must complete your profile. Okay, click here to complete your profile. So I just need to complete my profile first. Okay, that is why there is a reason why I have not getting my payments. Okay, so details. Okay, just update these things. Just update these things and make sure that you have done everything correct in the correct fashion. You did everything correct. Okay, and guys, make sure that you did all of these confirmation at one go. Okay, now you can able to make some changes as well, guys. If you want some payment details, you can able to take payment from Pioneer or just select the Pioneer email ID. Okay, and there are lots and lots of things as well, just a bank transfer as well, so that you can need to do these things. I just do recommend you to just make this Pioneer. It's a great way of doing okay, and just type your email ID, okay, of your Pioneer, and just click on these things and you are good to go. Okay, now you can see my wallet is having 1.1. Why it is giving me? Because I have done the survey. Okay, the payment is reverted back to my wallet. Okay, very easy it is. Okay, I am just going into this dashboard and you can see that how much people are earning. Okay, just doing some surveys and you can see that it's a good amount of money, guys. Okay, you can do a lot of things. Paid referrals, unpaid referrals, earning are quite a big. Okay, quite a good. So just 14 minutes ago you can see he is earning 5 minutes. In 5 minutes 0.5. Okay, you can able to earn up to great extent as well. Okay, if you do some earning part as well, other advertisements if you want to do, you can do it either way. Okay, and just click on this times bug. Okay, and you can perform a lot of operations right now. Okay, so it's a good amount of money. Just do check out these things and just do some surveys. Okay, surveys are very well versed. Okay, so that these are certain surveys I have put on. Okay, just do spend some time, guys. Okay, because surveys are the ones which are genuine and which will really pay you more. Okay, I just want you guys to earn through, not from referrals or so, just from surveys, and just check out some earning details and all. Just easy way of earning money, guys. Easy way of earning money. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubts in earning money, just write down in the comment section and do let me know what type of things you need to know in this. Okay, if there is some queries regarding the earnings, I just want you to make videos for your queries as well. Okay, so that you do not find any problem and you can earn online just from easy way of money online. Okay, just do subscribe this channel and hit the like button so that I can make more videos for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.